Hello, 7th graders. This is the PLP work for the month of March. So if we scroll down, we'll notice that we are working on the transferable skill of innovative thinking. So this month we'll be doing an activity about problem solving. So if you go ahead and click on this activity, you will notice that there are a couple of options for you to do. So for 7th and 8th grade advisories, work with your advisor and choose either Shannon's number challenge or the paper chain challenge. So you'll go ahead and you will complete these activities, and then you'll open up this innovative thinking evidence sheet. After completing one of those activities, you'll do your best to fill out this evidence sheet to show you're learning from the activity. Then you'll take this activity and you'll copy the link and then go back to your PLP and embed this into your transferable skill portfolio. So this could be one of your pieces of evidence for innovative thinking for your 7th and 8th grade year. So that is the PLP work for the month, and have fun.